Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my mother-in-law's cooking is so bland it's like eating a cloud. It's there, but you're not really sure what you're tasting. Today we're going to make one of my favorite Mexican desserts, flan. In a pot over medium-low heat, we're going to cook 3/4 of a cup sugar. Cook sugar until it turns golden caramel color. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to stir frequently. Now that our sugar has turned to a golden caramel color, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to take our flanero mold. If you don't have this, you can use an 8-inch round baking dish. Pour that in. And then coat the sides with the caramel. Be careful not to burn yourself, because you will. To the blender, we're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 6 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, give or take. And we're going to blend for 10 seconds. We're going to add the mixture to the pan. So if you're using this, you're going to cover with this. We're going to place this in a large baking dish. We're going to fill it with water about halfway up this. We're going to bake for 1 hour in a preheated oven at 350 degrees. And after 1 hour, we're going to check the flan for doneness by inserting a knife near the center. If it comes out clean, the flan is done. If it's not done, cover and continue baking for another 10 minutes. When the flan's done, we're going to remove it from the water bath and cool completely on the counter. And then refrigerate for 1 hour or up to overnight before unmolding. Now that's chilled, it's time to open it up. We'll run a knife around the edge. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's so good. If you haven't tried it before, you need to. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.